Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit funds or cash onto your XTrend Speed Trading application account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the XTrend app on your device, and after you have logged in, you will end up within the homepage. Now, directly within the homepage, you can find the deposit button at the top, and you can also find the deposit button at the bottom section. Tap on either one of these, and now you can choose the amount that you wish to deposit. After choosing the amount or entering it manually within the given section, you will see the method of payment. Tap on the More button and you will see the various different methods by which you can deposit your cash. Choose whichever method you prefer and make sure the terms and condition is checked. You can then tap on the Pay button, which will then open up the login section. Then all you need to do is enter the credentials of the payment method that you have selected. After providing all of the credentials and finalizing your transaction, the fund will then be added to your account. And now you can start trading with your funds on the XTrend Speed Trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.